Hello everyone, my name is Musa from Daytona, Japan, and today I'm going to introduce D-Mirror 6, 7 and 8. D-Mirror 6, 7 and 8 have aluminum housing and aluminum stem. Housing has a very cool CNC line. This is D-Mirror 6 with the teardrop shape. And then we have D-Mirror 7 with the octagon shape. And D-Mirror 8 with the round shape. Here you can see D-Mirror 6, 7 and 8. And D-Mirror 6, 7 and 8 are bar end type mirrors. The inner diameter of the stem is 30 millimeters. So you can use Daytona bar end adapter with these mirrors and install it to your pipe, just like this. And these mirrors are left and right angle adjustable. Also, if you like, you can install it on top of your handlebar as well. And also in the box, you can find 1-inch handlebar spacer and the 22.2 millimeter spacers. These are included in the box. And also, D-Mirror 6, 7 and 8 has two different stem variations. Long one and the short one. Here you can see in detail. This is the long one and the short one. And these mirrors are sold each, so you have to buy left and right separately. Additionally, D-Mirror 6, 7 and 8 have Harley-Davidson stem as well. This stem is steel, especially designed for Harley-Davidsons. Of course, you can find the Harley-Davidson adapter as well. Housing has the same shape and design. Also in the box, you can find the standard type adapters as well. D-Mirror 6, 7 and 8 have E-mark, so they are legal to use in Europe. And they are tested up to 10 G of vibration forces. So they are really strong and durable. So that's all for today's D-Mirror 6, 7 and 8 introduction. Thanks for watching.